Take a ride in the 2019 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front, center, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.